The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by Newsom. If you're like 22 million Americans living with cataracts, you're likely looking for the best treatment and surgeon for your eyes. So what if you could go to the doctor who invented the very latest and greatest technology out there? Well, now you can. World-renowned, double board-certified ophthalmologist and founder of Newsom Eye and Laser Center in Tampa, Dr. Hunter Newsom is here to tell us about the thousands of cataract surgeries he has performed. Welcome, Doctor, to Daytime. Good to have you here.
Thanks for having us.
You've invented the Newsom Bladeless laser cataract technique. Tell us about that.
Well, what it's done is it's helped to revolutionize cataract surgery and make it more precise. We knew about 2 years ago the technology that's made laser LASIK surgery really successful. Could we take that technology and start to use that precision and accuracy when we do cataract surgery? So two years ago, we developed and started to develop a technique to use that same precision for cataract surgery patients. And about a year ago, we started performing the procedure in patients and have had an extremely great amount of success.
And how did you invent this breakthrough technology?
Well, we knew a lot about the lasers and how they worked. It was just a matter of trying to figure out a way to use the LASIK technology in our cataract surgery patients. The lasers, a femtosecond laser, has been around for a long time, but it wasn't able to make an incision that was particular for cataract surgery.
So what can patients who are having this procedure expect?
Well, it's a pretty quick and easy procedure. It typically takes us about 5 minutes to do the surgery, so it's not a discomforting thing. When we did my dad's cataract surgery, he went golfing the next day.
Wow.
So it's not real difficult, but what we now expect for them to have is a pretty pain-free experience with us, with a quick recovery of their vision, and we're now able to do surgery and implant lenses that can help them see at both distance, intermediate, and near without glasses.
Now, I know a few people that have had cataract surgery, and do you do it one eye at a time, then they come back a few days later and get the other one done? What kind of time frame is between visits?
We typically do one eye, and then we'll do their second eye about a week or two later. And you can learn from the first eye if you need to make any adjustments when you do the second eye to help maximize their vision and help them reduce the need for glasses based on the first eye and perfect it with the second.
Is this an actual cure for cataracts?
Well, you could say, is it a cure for cataracts? Because when we do cataract surgery, that cataract is gone and it's been cured and it's not there anymore. So really, cataract surgery is a great procedure that we can really say we're going to cure and fix that problem, and it's going to be gone forever.
I think a lot of patients are fearful of the surgery because they don't think it's bladeless. They don't know that this exists. So to allay fears out there, what do you have to say for the people who have cataracts and are thinking about this, but they're just too scared to take that leap?
Yep. Well, what we tell them is we have where they can come down and actually watch surgery in our facility. We can open up the window and you can actually view and watch surgery directly, and they can see what I'm doing. They can see that it's not a real difficult, painful procedure, that it's easy to do. And then a lot of times it's just comforting the patient when they come in. You talk to them, you realize they're going to be anxious, and you just say, we're going to take care of you, we're going to make you comfortable. And if you're ever not comfortable, we encourage you to let us know. We do thousands and thousands of these surgeries every year, so we can make you comfortable. Just communicate with us that you're not comfortable.
What top piece of advice do you have for our viewers right now?
Well, I think the number one thing is look into, as we get new technology and new advances, is this, what's the doctor's experience with this technology? For us, 2 years ago, we started developing this technique. We didn't just purchase this and then just get a training course on it and start doing it in patients. We've really been there from the very beginning of how is this laser going to work? How are we going to get it to make incisions? We went through all those trouble spots of how can we get it to work. So our experience now that we're bringing it into the population and the public, our experience is more than anybody else in the area. One of the first in the country and really in the world to utilize lasers like this, and we're right here, so come on in and ask us.
Well, it's exciting technology. Dr. Newsom, thank you very much. For more information about the Newsom Bladeless Laser Cataract Surgery and Dr. Newsom, visit Newsom Eye online at newsomeye.com or call them at 813-908-2020. Dr. Newsom is offering daytime viewers a complimentary cataract screening in his Tampa and Sebring offices. Just mention Daytime when you call to make your appointment. Daytime will be right back. The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by Newsom.